Well, hello everybody to episode 7 of the network stream. I'm Samurais and I hope we're going to have a lot of fun today. So, let's start up the game. Come on. Okay. Bad black monitor. So here we are. That should be the right save file. Wonderful. Okay, so stream seems to be working. We're in game. Wonderful, wonderful. So, yeah, like I said last week already, I did a little bit prep work between the streams. So basically I just replaced all the item throttles with codable mergers, except this one. That's 3 adjustable merger that are merging 4 lines in ratio. And yeah, I want to change, well, we need to change that actually. It could be pretty easy. I could just place 2. Is 2 enough? Yes, 2 is enough. 2 codable mergers and have each of those with its own computer. But I actually would like to see if we are able to do this with one computer. Not sure, might be too complicated to be profitable, but I want at least to give it a short try. So yeah, okay, first I need some informations here. So that's 350 items with the heavy modular frames. Oh yeah, the calculator mod got updated. We have post-its now. What did I say? 350, I think. IPM. Wait. Ah, okay. So, yeah. I think that's a really, really neat thing to have some informations on display. Yes, I do. I totally do, Esper. Again, thank you for the tip. It really helped a lot. So, to get the ratios here is actually a little bit problematic. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the website instead. I should have the correct ratios here. Maybe, oh, I'm not even sure. Heavy modular frames. No, I can't use this. I actually cannot use this. I guess it will be easier to redo the numbers. So unless I have them in my Windows notes, which could very well be. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I have my Windows sticky notes actually. And this should be the right numbers. So there was just some thing I tried for dividing and stuff. Oh, what? Yeah. Those numbers are wrong if I'm not totally mistaken. What number is right here? Damn it. Yep. Oh, well, that's the idea of sticky notes, to save stuff, isn't it? And the in-game notes just do exactly the same. Which heavy? I need to go up to get the numbers right, anyways. Which heavier material frames does need quartz? Well, concrete does. So, I'm actually using. Entrance is here somewhere. So I'm actually using the fine concrete recipe. Did the math, and unless I'm totally wrong, it is needs less machines. Okay, I need to rearrange my windows here really quick. My sticky notes are blocking my chat. Okay. Yeah, I kinda have all alternate recipes I can get. But they are not, of course, not all in use. But that's a problem why I can't use the calculator actually, because well, I do stuff like the steel screws, and well, cast screws, and I can't do that in the calculator. So yeah. Okay, I need to figure out how much steel I'm using. So I'm using 48 times 3, 144. Oh, what? That's 7.5. I think 7.5. Yes. So plus 15. And I should have some more steel here. So that's 42 and 45. Plus 42 plus 45 and 246. Okay, so that is the right number. But I have a guess. I think we only need 10 plastics here. We need plastic here. I think I doubled all the numbers up to have... Yeah. So I doubled all the numbers up to don't have a decimal place. Which, with the new system, I don't need to do anymore anyways. So we can... let's check the limestone and raw quartz real quick. Raw quartz, yes, it's 9. I have to get used to the UI of the sticky notes. So basically, basically you can create a new one by pressing F8. I explain you in a second, Esper. And you can, well, you get this menu if you have any part of the calculator activated. So which doesn't seem to work. Clicking on those should do different stuff, but okay. And you can press F6 to defocus the nodes and the calculator actually by now as well, and play the game as usual. Which actually makes the calculator pretty interesting again, because you can keep it on screen. So yeah, the issue was I built this factory or this floor before I started to use the correct ratios. So I tried to just item throttle the items downstairs and split them up here with adjustable switches. And because of that, I tried to get the ratios exactly right, so that I'm producing as many screws, exactly as many screws as the rest of the factory takes. And to do that, I needed to have this machine be at casted screws to build 50, and the other ones to build 56. Oh, that one 56, that one, yeah, 208. So that those numbers add together the number on screws I'm going to need in the end. That's why I used different alternative recipes and not just the most efficient one. Wouldn't do that anymore with the codable mergers and splitters. So, yeah, 105. Let me check this one real quick, just to make everything sure. That's 30, that's 60, and then we have some more. Oh, come on. And that cubicle, which just produces concrete. That's 105 for sure. So, yeah. That's all fine. Okay. So, now that we have the correct numbers, should actually make sure we have everything we need to build those missing motors. And I need a computer case, CPU reel, and let's make sure we have enough RAM for 2. So yeah, we kind of have everything except the motors. Okay, I think I actually have to handcraft the motors. I think I don't have motors anymore. Maybe that's the next floor I should do, actually, motors. Oh, right, I wanted to get motors. Ah! How forgetful. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. That's why I said it is very possible that we end up in doing 2 computers. I'm absolutely not sure if it could be too complicated to do one. But I have some ideas, so we will see. What did I? Oh, yeah. So we need motors. For motors, we need straighters. I should have enough rotors. Okay. So, but before we do that, let's check. Not that I have some building around. Always a possibility with me. But no, I don't. I think it's pretty nice that the mergers and splitters use motors. I think it's really logical. The material some of the buildings use at the moment really doesn't make any sense. Oh well. They are producing a lot slower than I anticipated. But to crystal oscillator for tier 3 stuff? What stuff are you talking about? Don't remember anything tier 3 with crystal oscillators, but I'm not sure. Oh well, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure if I agree. Yeah, it is tier 3, but only kinda. No, I think you're right. Crystal oscillators is a pretty steep price to pay. I think it's okay that you need crystal oscillators to unlock them, because you can find them in drop pods, and Panacotta already said that he wants you to get parts from the drop pod and feel a little bit more advanced than it is in the tiers. But building them using crystal oscillators is really a steep price. But actually, I mean, to produce crystal oscillators, it's not really difficult. I mean, have a look at our crystal oscillators. What do you need? You need a little bit quartz, and you need a little bit iron, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings or so. Not really difficult, not even for tier 3. Oh yeah, right. You need the manufacturer. Manufacturer is tier 5, right? Okay, that's the point. Yeah, okay. That's a really good point. That you can't automate it. It means it's a little bit early. Yeah. Well, not really. I mean, just doing the. I didn't want to do that. Just by doing the math, like very lightly. I mean, crystal oscillators. If you just produce one manufacturer, you're going to produce one crystal oscillator a minute. That means you produce 60 crystal oscillators in an hour, and you will never use this up. I mean, you see how long it needs to do the programming stuff and so forth. The only wait time you're going to have is in the beginning. That's always so. You need crystal oscillators, you build the machines, and you're going to need to wait a whole while for them to fill up. Oh yeah. No, handcrafting them is stupid. I totally agree with you. That the mod needs crystal oscillators with you unable. Oh, wait. With you unable to automate them, that's not really a smart thing. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay. It really doesn't make much sense. So I totally agree with you there. Because, yeah, actually that would mean you need to handcraft them, and handcrafting, you would stand there for hours to get those. Okay, so we have our numbers. Let's delete some stuff. Come on. Okay. So, codable merger. Basically, place the first one there. I hope, yeah, that should be okay. Actually, okay. So, I want to grab it. Let's move that out of the inventory real quick. Then I have some steel or something else. Guess not. Well, okay. So okay. It was easier to do it with 3 adjustable mergers for the numbers, but actually 2 is enough. Because, well, I need 4 entrances, so even going to have place left. Well, oh, it's 5 items, right? Yeah, still, so that should be fine. Well, it's still fine. I mean, I can merge 3 here and then 2 additional here. That will work just wonderful. But yeah, you already said you see. So I guess you figured it out yourself. Okay, so that's that there, and that's the last one to put in there. Yeah. Okay. That are all the connection needed. Next, we need to color it up. Wait. That should be green. That is an incoming one. Okay. Good. So let's build a computer. Oh, right. Um, totally forgot that. I need to connect two now. So. There you go. Okay. T1. Going to use 2 ramps for sure. No! I don't have enough silicon. Didn't I check that I have enough from everything? What the... I'm reading Allure docs for coroutines to see that would be good for controlling 2 mergers. Or if you need new ratio transfer function. Yeah, I kinda need a new ratio transfer function. No, I don't even need a new ratio transfer function, I think. I just need to have the other ratio transfer function without an without a timer. Well, actually, I need another ratio transfer function in order for that to go happen. No, I can just make it fast enough. Probably. We will see. I have a few ideas. I just need one function that doesn't pause. That's exactly the thing. It will be limited by the other function anyway, so it is not really a problem that it doesn't. Oh, wait. Yeah, I kinda get where you're coming from. Even if it doesn't pause. Oh, that's not good. You're right, even if it doesn't pause, it doesn't alternate run out of numbers. Yeah, you're right. Well, like I said, I'm not sure if I can do it. That might be a real issue. Maybe I remember wrong, but has been something like that in the dock here. Multi-threading. Yeah. I need to understand this though. That might be a real problem. Because I don't like to use code I don't really grasp. But we will see if we can do that. So for now, place one more RAM. Color blue. Actually, I don't like this. That's blue. I want to have it. What? That's a nice secondary color for blue, isn't it? Let's see, orange. What can we do? Orange and black is always a nice combination. So let's go black here. And what do we do with pink? Maybe a yellow? No. I think I go dark green. Something like that could quite decent. Yeah, that looks better at least. Orange. I mean, there's never something wrong with orange and black. Sad for us if you don't color them. How does that look? No, the green is nice. I don't like that. So I think I'm going to try yellow. That's not the answer either. I need something less aggressive. Oh wait. Yeah. I think I can do something like that maybe. Well, okay for now. Not going to bother with that too much. We have photocopy. So that one is splitter main. That one is nicht splitter, merger. Merger side. So I wonder if we really want to dive into coroutines. And okay, let me see. What do we do? We create a thread by wait, what? Oh, you have a function or a function, okay. Stop. So we go through the threads. Thread run while true. Wait, what? Oh. Function sleep. Function full, function full. Okay. So we create a thread. And give a function. And then we go. What's T stop? Go through the threads. And if th, what's th? Oh, that's th. Equal to t. T is what? Oh. Do you get this? I'm not sure yet. Yeah, it might be an idea to work this out upstairs, but I'm really not sure. I'm not even sure if it would work. That's the main issue. I mean, how is it switching? Yeah, I would ask you to send me a link, but I still haven't figured out how to do this in what the okay. Oh, I need to reload this site. I still have not found out how to allow somebody to send a link. Give me a second, I want to try one thing out. I just had an idea. Epiphany. which doesn't work. Um, yeah, okay. Won't find it out now on the fly. Sorry. It doesn't run both at the same time. You could just throw in the coroutine yield the end of the loop of the function. So would switch between both functions. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's actually the thing. Yes, you could, yeah, you could move through functions, but you can't have run them at the same time. So all the timing stuff, all that kind of stuff wouldn't work. Or you think it actually does run both functions at the same time? I don't think so. No, not really. The thing is, if you have a pause on one function, it will pause the other function as well. By definition. So we would need. Okay, for it, in order to have any way to work, we would need to move away from the event pool, and would need to have it check how much time went since the last pull. Oh, that really gets complicated. Okay, let's think about what could we do without coroutines. Let's move there first. So basically, basically we go through the items and move those. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. I'm not sure if I could do it where any number of letters. So I mean, basically, yeah. I'm listening. Make a total delay local war and add it to every time you want to delay. And you can do all the transfer stuff in a for loop and do event pull total delay at the end. What? So like event pull delay would become total delay is equal total n plus delay. But I need the delays on the items to make sure that we don't always move the first item first. If I wouldn't have the single delays, the first all instances of the first item would be delivered first. I'm thinking, how can I do the other merger there? Oh, I'm starting to get an idea. So basically, okay. Let's see. Let's fire up Studio. So basically, we have the first item of our main splitter. Then we could place an... What did I do here? So then we could do an additional how is that not aligned? If So then we could place a new if in there without a delay and have it for the other splitter. Merger. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. There you go. So basically we have the normal transfer and then we have a transfer without a delay for the other splitter. That way I'm using the delay from the main splitter for the second splitter as well. Basically, I'm just nesting them in. If not, yeah, but that shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So basically, come on. So basically, we're going to have two splitters now. We have mergers now. We have a main merger and a merger second or side. No. We have. Let's do it like that. Okay. So so that would be in side merger. That would be inside merger as well. And the last one is a main. Wait, we're going to have wrong. Okay. Main second, main second, main second. And then the side merger would have the same delay as the main merger. More or less, but that shouldn't be a problem. I mean, let's say the delay I place um, for the main merger would be 60 items per minute. And the second merger has the same delay of the 60 items per minute. There's no possible combination or way that the 60 items per minute on the side splitter isn't enough to satisfy the input from the main splitter, because it can't be more than 60, because the main splitter has a delay of 60 IPM. What if item? Did I do something wrong? Okay, let's see. Okay. So, we're basically going to need more params. We're going to need 5. Okay. Four, 5, and then we need one more. 4, 5, and then we need one more that's item side is equal to oh, 5 is equal to item 3 plus item 4 plus item 5. Okay. Okay. So, item 1 is the main. So that can stay like that. Item 3. I need to change those numbers, right? If Y. Yeah. We have Y, X, and Z. So we're going to use V. So that's item 3. Then we go to item 2. That's the main again. That's all right. And we go side. That's item 4 now. We're going to do that W. That's fine. Then we go to item yeah, it doesn't really matter. Item side. It can stay with that. That's going to be side. And then we go to the last side splitter thing. I don't know. Let's make it a U. No, what? Wait. Wait. Main side. That's too much. Okay. You and you. And that's item 4, I think, right? No, item 5. So yeah, I think that should work. Hi, Casper. Yeah, feel welcome. 3, 4, and 5 ratios of each other, not item rates. What do you mean? Yeah, they are ratios of each other. Does that matter? Yeah, right. I have to watch the ratios overall. That's totally right. But I don't see another way to do that. Well, I could add another one more param. There might actually be advantage. There might be an advantage. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I think let's do that. I kinda like this. So I just do it like that. Side. Yeah. You're totally right. That has its advantage. Thanks for the catch. I would have needed hours to find this error, I know that. Okay. So, basically, you're just going to adjust that, but we're going to do that in game. Because I have the numbers here. Why is it 0.8? Wait. Where's my delay? Oh, come on. Really? Really? Did I really do that? It seems I copied from one of the only computers I used. Wait. That one. Where I didn't change the delay yet. Oh. Going to do this real quick. IPM. Oh, no. Didn't want the additional. Close that. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a sec. No, 0. Then we're going to do 1 and we're going to do 2. Yeah, I just did, didn't I? I was just a little bit angry with me that I probably have only one computer where I didn't change it to IPM. I did use that one to copy the code. It's just so typical me. Okay. So copy. Why? It seems I can't copy from the notepad. That's annoying. Oh, right. Oh. That works, so I don't know. So now I have to find out which lanes are which. That is important. No! Oh, I don't know. Close enough. Okay, so that's the side one. So that means that's S0, plastic is S1, and quartz is S2. Okay. And then that's steel. So we have steel is S2. We have limestone is S1. And side is S0. S0. Okay. Yeah. You're totally right there. That wouldn't have worked. Okay. So steel is lane 2. Plastic is lane S1. Iron is lane S0. Quartz is lane S2. And limestone is lane 1. Well, 1 lane 2. We have to have the side with lane 0. Okay, the param should be lane 0, 1, 2 of the main splitter. And then... Oh, wait. Did I do this right? No. Yeah, that's not working. So we're just going to do this at item 6. And this is param 6, and this is item 6, and this is param 6, and we have no problem anymore. Because actually 1, 2, and 3 Okay, I need to sort this. Yeah, totally right. So item 1 is MS0, that's right. Item 2 should be MS1. Item 3... What's this? Item 6. Yeah, that needs to be item 3. Instead... And then we do have the side thingies. That's item 4, item 5, item 4, item 5, and item side, item 6. Yeah, now I think now it's logical where which one is which. That's why I made this side lane 0. So I know the side splitter comes in main line 0. And yeah, the side splitters are yeah, exactly. The side splitter first, or is the main splitter first? Main splitter is first. So need one more calculator. So 26 plus 10 plus 9. So yeah, the issue we have is with half items. We can't use half items, correct? So we need to double this. I mean, I could actually do just one ratio. So what would that be? That would be a 91. That would be 210. That would be an 492. That would be since it's all one ratio transfer call, you have to do one ratio no matter what, or else the side splitter won't be able to keep up with the main splitter. Exactly, since it will run out of numbers halfway through the main splitter's ratio transfer call. Yep, that's the thing. Well, not totally. Okay, so that's 53. That's 20. And that's 18. So those can be different. They just have to be higher than the normal ratio. So I could do something like 106, 40, and 36. That would work. I don't see why not. If they are higher, then the main splitter will stop splitting stuff. Why? Oh. Yeah. It will stop splitting stuff because it doesn't get out of the loop. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Yep. Well, I guess we know what we need to do then. So first of all, we set this to 350. And we set this to 350 as well. Then, let's do 18. That would be 18. Oh, is it 5 okay with 18? 18, 90, that should be 90, right? 5 times 18 is 90. Yeah. Okay. So that's more or less 10, probably 11. Yeah, but we want to have the 350 items per minute. My math is not good enough for stuff like that. Okay, let's see. 18 times 11. Oh yeah, that's fine. So then 18 times no, I think that should be about 28. Oh, close. So 18 times 27. Yep. 27. 53. That's 2. Is that 3? 18 times 3. 18 times 3. Nope. So that's 2. And that's 1. Okay. Teams times 5. 19. Okay, and then we go here. That's 1. We have 200. What? 210 to 198. So that's 12. Then we have 492 to 486. So that's 6. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, totally exactly. So that should be 17. That's 2, and that's 0. That should be working theoretically. Well, yeah. Okay. I'm comparing a number with nil. How? Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it only 5? It should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. What the heck? 27. 2. Oh. I forgot the last one. Okay. Yeah, well, the 20 was 1, and I saw the 1 here and thought the 1 was for the 18, and didn't catch that. That's why the second one had the correct numbers. I wouldn't be surprised. Looks good so far. Well, it looked good so far. Why did it stop? Yes. We only need 10 plastic and 9 quartz. Double that. And that small amount is right. But the big question is, why did it stop now? So... yeah, that's 91. That's correct. Can't stop? Why? I don't get it. Well... yeah. X, Y, and Z. Moment. Main is Y. Main is X. And main is Z. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Totally does. Here. We had the while loop going for only item 1, 2 and 3. But the while loop of course needs to go for all. Yeah, because it needs to go as long as any item still needs to pass through. I actually did it with Ed and you corrected me last time. So that did sound logical to be the problem, but still did not. Yeah. Let's see. Print. I don't see anything like that. Okay. So where does it stop? Yep. Okay. Did it stop? It loops with one more item from 1 to go. Seems everything else did output. We just have one more item from 1 to go. So why doesn't do it? That yeah, it doesn't do it doesn't do it because item 1 is from the side splitter. And it doesn't have an item, so it doesn't output because its output doesn't output. It breaks. I need to remove item 1 from the while loop. Yeah, but I can't remove it. Oh, up here. Yeah, it totally would mess with the ratios. Yeah, that doesn't work. I wonder why we have the problem with the ratios in the first place. Yeah, that's what I thought, but that's not right. Look at the numbers. Item 1 shouldn't be the last one done. Item 3 should be the last one done. Two, one, one. Wait, what? You need to. The problem is that the item 1 is no, because it skips item 1. Right. Doesn't subtract from item 1 if it doesn't transfer. Correct. Yeah, but I don't get why it's the last one done. I mean, just having a look at the numbers. The last one done should be item 3. That's 211. So that's 4 altogether. And that's the problem. So that needs to be a 4. That just needs to be a 4. And that's going to be an 19. And then it should work. That was the problem. It only got 4 items from the side belt, but wanted to push 5, which can't work. Yep. Working now. If we do you know what? If we would have done it with item 6 is equal to power 1, 2, and 3, it would work. It would have worked actually the first way around. But I would have problems to get the lanes right, so I actually prefer that solution. I just need to remember that it always needs to be this lane. Yeah, this needs always to be equal to that. Actually, is there a way to output an error message? Can you tell me the command? Because then we can do an if param nah, no, we can't do that. I wanted to add an error message, but the thing is, if we copy the code somewhere else and the bell comes from another side, it wouldn't work again. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. Okay, I need to go to the loo real quick, so I'm back in a few minutes. Sorry for the break. Yeah, see you soon. So, what's now? I mean, theoretically, I would like to have this a little bit more flexible. But I don't know how at the moment. I would wish there's a way to use this for 2, 3, 4, 5 splitters. Yeah, I know what means to rewrite parts of it. The biggest problem is I have no real idea how to do it. Like, I would need to, instead of giving 6 params, I would need to do a table. Or, well, actually do 3 tables. Yeah, exactly. So, and in a way that the first entrance in the table is always delayed and the seconds are not. So well, actually, I really like to see how those numbers are counting down. I really don't see the sense in different delay values for each splitters. There shouldn't be a problem if the side splitters are a little bit too fast. And that's the worst that can happen. Oh, I see. Yeah, no. Not going to go there. Syntax highlight could be really useful, yeah. But, well, I guess that's where we have stuff like that. Or actually... you should place this in here. To have the current version. I mean, basically I would need to have the main splitter with a delay, and then I would need to have a loop with all the table things. But how would I do the item down counting? Oh god. Yeah, multiplayer is pretty sure the next thing that will happen. Panacotta is working hard on that one. No, I don't think I'm going to bother with that. What is that? It seems to be a very, very, very old thing. Okay. You there. So basically, um, it's not good example either. Well, actually, that might be a good example. I don't have the for loop in here, but I think the whole thing is easier to grasp without a for loop. Uh-oh. What? What's up? Why are you? Uh-oh. Um. Uh-oh. I don't. Do you have any excess fluids that must be used? Well, kinda. Oh, yeah, okay, I get it. Like, yeah, I do. Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, I don't need to. Um, well, let me finish this real quick here. Um, what was the name? Find component. god. Okay. That should work. Um, okay. Just wanted to make those commentary because that code actually can be released then. This is the old code? Yeah, that's the old code. Probably not going to release the new code. At least not without a guide. When Total's website is online, and if he makes room for codes for the networks mod, then I might do a guide on where I do the second one. But I think the dual merger needs a lot more explaining. The single merger is actually pretty easy. So you just need to name your merger and then change those numbers, and that's it. That's why I don't have the for loop in here. That way it's just so much easier to grasp. Yeah. I mean, that's advantage from doing the code yourself. You can do a little bit more convoluted or complicated stuff. I mean, I kind of want to do something here. Let's see. Let's place a control panel. Here. Probably I'm going to have problems and don't know how it works and stuff like that. I kinda want to try this. Yeah, well, kinda. Um, I guess I would need to cut the video, and I think that could be a really difficult task to cut the video to the right pieces. Because, well, an 2-hour video might be a little bit much. There. Okay, I want to place text displays. 1, 2. Reinforced iron plates. Okay. Yeah. Compare. Yep. I totally get that. Headloud sounds like a very smart code to me. Text display. I want to have 4 more. Yeah, that should be fine. Wait. Why 4? I have placed 2, I need 6 per run, so I need 10. So I need more crystal oscillators. Wow, what a waste of crystal oscillators. Because I'm too lazy to do drive and stuff. I want to have one panel write the item and the second one to write the numbers. Yeah, well, actually, you can do this as one in display both the number and the text. Yeah, well, okay. Maybe I don't need so many. No! Oh, that's mean. Okay. Well, they wouldn't have fit anyways. Okay. Well, you have written it already. No reason for me to write it again. Oh, did I? Yep. That's fine. Okay. So basically, oh, I totally forgot how to do this. I need to find the text thingies now, right? Wasn't there something like that? Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Yep, thanks. That's the code I was looking for. I knew I need something like that. So basically, one, two, three, four, five, six. Do you remember where where it starts counting? Well, I didn't want to delete this. Well, now it's gone. Close node viewer, close. Some bugs still. I can't close that anymore. Annoying. Okay. Hi, John. Thanks. Bottom left. So. And one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be 0, 0, 0. And that should be 5, 7, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those should be 7s and 5, 7, 9. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I have problems too with left and right sometime. I really like to get confused by them. But well, I guess that's what I have you for, don't I? So how do I buildings? Motor control button, text display. Set text. And it wants a string. Get text. Set size. Okay. So oh, monospace. That's nice. Offset text seems to be pretty easy. Can I do something like a plus in it to combine two strings? I'm going to set size and the rest later. First I want to have it output anything at least. So yeah. So green one. Set text. I don't want to have a line break in it though, but yeah, thanks. Oh. Really? Column? Okay. Oh yeah, sure. Not set test. So basically, I do item 1. So like that, right? So like that. I deleted the prints. I had the prints up here. But when I have them here, it is how many more they need. It wouldn't update for the 000, and I want to have it 000 as well, so I placed it down there. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4, screen 5, and screen 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's limestone. That's steel. Ingots. Oh, steel ingots. Ingots. That's plastic. And that is raw quartz. Okay. So that should work. But it doesn't. Why? I have to call string raw factory. Is it here or is it up there? No, the problem seems to be here. I mean, it's easy to check it. Wait, what? Is it here? Oh. I proxied a string. Yeah. That could do it. Get module. Are you sure that's a column, not a dot? Oh, the panel. Oh, yeah, you're right. Plus it's a table, sure. Okay. Hey, it's actually working. I mean, you're totally right. It's really as small as you promised me. But that's totally fine. So, screen 1. Set size. I don't know. 20. Let's see what 20 looks like. Okay. Better. So that fits actually pretty well. Yeah. 55. And then we set screen 1, set mono something. Yeah. Yeah, could have done. Doesn't matter, does it? Set mono space 1. Set mono space 1. Well, actually, yeah, I wanted to say that if I do it in a table, I can loop them. So I just need to do that, right? Or do I need to explain before that somewhere that's a table? Always forget. Think it's with. Yeah, exactly. Screen uh, equal. Yeah, monospace is really a nice thing to have. I totally agree with you. So for, do you really think I can remember how follows were done? Uh, for I in pairs green, something like that, something like that. Ha! I'm good. Do and okay. Yep, I think so as well. Yep. I don't think that those numbers are correct. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Let's see what happens if I really place them up here. No, still. Um. Oh yeah. Okay. The iron ingots, plastic, and walk rods is just pretty fast done, but they are there. I kind of like that. I really do. Yeah, I need to go a little bit lower here. I don't know, 48 or so. Yep. Now the stealing gets bits. Really annoyed that I can't delete this. Right. No, it doesn't work. Well, it's in the bridge-up range, so... Yes, that's... Oh! Okay. I didn't expect it. Oh. Broke my game. Okay. I can't move or do anything anymore. No. I'm not sure when the last autosave was. Oh. No. No, it's the mod. I know it's the mod. I open it up and don't have an a node to click in, and I already saw that you need to click it. No, it's not frozen. It's just this thingy doesn't work, and I can't unselect anything. So yeah. Exactly. Well, yes, we need to restart. Okay. I'm on Satisfactory. Oh, okay, it's loading. A little bit slow my PC today. I think the heat is doing its job on it as well. Come on. Oh. It is already started in the background. Well, okay. So let's load it up. And hope everything works again. How much RAM do I have? I'm not even sure. I have 16 gigabytes. Ha! That's not a good sign. Oh yeah. 8 really isn't much. I actually would like to upgrade my 8, my 16. I'm not really. I have the feeling it's not really enough for what I'm doing with it, and I think it's my main bottleneck at the moment. But yeah, money is a little bit tight. Okay, let's see. It's actually well back the last autosave. Trying to load the same save game again. I hope it works this time. Also, my drive is a hard disk, 8 years old. Wow, I couldn't work on a hard disk anymore. Yeah, I believe you that it's slowing down real quick that way. Can you tell me why? Oh. I always give Total so much crap for having a top chat instead of live chat, and well, I had top chat on. I think I didn't read like half of your messages. Autosave interval is 5 minutes for me. I don't have a huge. Well, that's actually a good deal, John. That's really a good deal. I don't have much problems with the autosave freeze, so I really prefer to have a regular autosave. I'm on top chat and all my messages are going through for me. You always see your own messages in top chat. But top chat likes to filter out messages from people who are chatting a lot. So yeah, I mean, let's see. Yeah, I just used the quick search in some text files, so I don't know what the problem is. That one didn't come through for me. The oof didn't come through. What's your autosave interval didn't come through. The 5-minute thing didn't come through. The RAM things came through. And the last one, also my drive is a hard disk, didn't come through either. So actually, it's quite a lot. Yeah. Yeah. The thing with Top Chat is it isn't made for a small streamer like me who talks with just a few people constantly. It's thought for like you have 20,000. Well, that's maybe a little bit much, but you have 100 viewers and they all are talking constantly. And if somebody is talking very much, he probably isn't talking to you. So they hide just messages from this. So that others who don't talk so much can get their message through as well. I think we did something really cool here. Oh. Wait, what? Not connected. Oh, I think, yeah. Computer's not connected. That's the important part. Computer is really important part of the network. It's made for people that make YouTube all the money. That's why it's the default. I'm not sure. Maybe. Actually, I think most money YouTube does with small streamers. No, I'm wrong. They don't advertise on small streams at all. So, yeah, you might be right there. There's a space before the indexing thing. What? A space? Oh. Well, it didn't work anyways. But yeah, it shouldn't have, should it? Oh, doesn't care for the space, it seems. Connecting computer is helpful. Yeah. Connecting computer is really helpful. So, let's have a look upstairs. I mean, that's the wrong upstairs. What the? Thank you. Can I do print? What do you mean? I don't get it. So let's see. Oh yeah. Here they come. Oh, I can't see. But that's actually working pretty well. All our machines are running. I mean, I underfeed them by purpose, so it's okay that some of those are yellow. But we don't have any items standing on the belts, so the ratio seems to be all right. Yes, I know. I seen that with the hopper and the dispenser mod. I actually have to look into the hopper mod. I wanted to do a showcase next week for it. Yeah. I really want to do a showcase for the sticky notes though. But I'm not going to do the showcase before it gets fully released. Which probably isn't next week. The thing with the hopper and the dispenser modes is though I have a hard time to say what oh yeah, the connections what you would want the computer for. I think the only thing which might be interesting is to on the dispenser to count the items in it, but other than that I don't see any reason. Well, you could do... Oh, actually, I might have an interesting idea for the dispenser. So, you could do a computer program to switch between settings. So, you say, okay, I'm building walls now, so please give me 10 stacks of plates and 10 stacks of concrete, or 12 stacks of concrete or so. Or I'm just doing my usual business, so I just want to have the small stuff, or just one stack please, and so on. That might be an interesting thing to do. It might actually be an interesting thing to do. Yeah, but let's be honest. Depending on when would you ever want to change what the hopper takes out? Yeah, that's what I said. I can see a reason there for reading the storage. I mean, I really like the hoppers. I think it's a really cool idea. But I don't see much sense in networking with them. Yeah, well, yeah, you might be right. You could change a little bit around the settings, have them setting for like empty the inventory at all, or just take specific items out or stuff like that. Still, we have player sensors. Why? I mean, I would know a lot of useful stuff with player sensors, but for the dispensers and hoppers, not really. Yeah, but what would you do with this? And do what? I mean, because you can set the dispatches to give you a set amount with a threshold filled mode, and you can do the same with the hopper. I don't really see the point in scanning your inventory. How would you determine what the player wants to do? Oh, so you have multiple items in a dispenser and dispense. Yeah, that might be a really cool thing. If you could dispense multiple items out of a single dispenser, that would be a cool thing. But I don't really see how to do that. I mean, he would need to redo the dispensers. Yeah. You would need to get items to the merger splitter on demand, which is really a hard thing to do. Well, I don't think I'm going to, or callable merchants, of course. I don't think I'm going to start a second project today. You could. Yeah, so it has the time to do whatever it wants to do, or it needs to do. It's just really hard to fill it up with different items. Add a stream for clickable item on demand for the Spencer, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, the whole on demand thing is really difficult to do. Even in the networks mod, it's not so easy to do. So I doubt that the modders will really prepare for that. Yeah. I need to feed my cats. I guess I need to feed myself as well. And I don't think I'm going to start anything today anymore. So I think it's a good place to cut the stream. If you have any smart ideas what we could do for next week, leave me a comment. Because I don't have one at the moment. We might do something with the dispenser, that might be an idea. I actually want to move all my computers up here. But I'm not sure if that's really an interesting stream. It might be a cool stream, but I don't really. It's a network stream. I want to do some coding and interesting stuff like that in the network stream. So yeah, we'll see. Vehicles next week might be an interesting idea. I'm not really using many vehicles. Only 2 at the moment. So, I mean, there isn't much sense in doing it really, but we might just have a look into it. Like doing a refill run and normal run. Oh, really? Okay. Well, I wouldn't like to use a bug because bugs mostly get patched to someone. But it sounds like fun, yeah. Yeah, maybe we will do that. Um, well, I mean, I wanted to do a lot of monitoring stuff as well, so we might start with that. We will see. Um, before we start the monitoring, I need to move the computers up here and make some interesting observation room out of it. So we will see if I have time to do this till next time. If not, we're probably going to have a look at in vehicles. That might be a cool thing. Also, not sure if you're interested, but I'm going to stream tomorrow my 5x5 challenge again. It was actually a pretty great start, so if you like, you can watch that tomorrow. I would be happy to see you. And yeah, don't miss Total Stream tonight. There will probably be the big reveal of the web page. So that's something. I don't think so. Oh, that might be really interesting if you could use the vehicle scanner with the trains. On-demand trains. Interesting. But I don't think so. Yeah, probably. Yeah, you actually wouldn't even need the scanner. You can open the train out of the station. So, yeah. But I'm really cutting it now. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping me company. And have fun gaming.